Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to use the Japanese abacus. This is a Japanese abacus and it's not a Chinese abacus. The Chinese abacus will have 2 beads at the top, whereas the Japanese has just got 1 bead. And the Chinese will have 5 beads at the bottom and the Japanese abacus has got 4 beads at the bottom. Now first of all I'm going to show you how to clear, which you can show your student what to do. There are 2 ways of doing it. First way is lift it up. The bottom part of the abacus will stay on the table and put it down gently, still using your left hand, and hold on to the frame of the abacus and then use your index finger, slide it above the middle bar, the white bar, and go across. Okay, try again. The second way is you don't even have to lift it up, you just use a pinching motion, go from right to left, slide along the white bar. That's the second way. Now to start counting, note that there are little dots on the white bar. There, they're all together about 5 of them. Okay, depending on the size of the abacus that you have. In this case, we got 5 black dots on the white bar. Now when nothing is touching the middle bar, we call it 0, or we haven't started counting yet. To start counting, we pick one of the dots, the rod with the dots. For example, you can start counting here, or you can start counting there, or you can start counting there. Okay, so if we start counting here, every of the beads at the bottom has got a value of 1, and the top bead has got a value of 5 of the bottom bead. So if this is a 1, then that is 5 times of the 1. So to add, you use your thumb, push 1 bead up, add 1. To take away, you use your index to take away from the bar. Then add 2. Take away 2. This is the abacus practice you're going to get your student to do right in the beginning. Add 4, take away 4. At 5, we only use the index to add and take away at the same time. Now to do add 6, to start with, your student might not be able to do pinching 6, 5 and 1 at the same time. Okay, if they don't know how to do that, I'll ask them to start with adding a 5 and then 1 more to make 6. To add 7, 5, 6, 7. Take away 7. At 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 8. At 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take away 9. When they're familiar with it, you want to encourage them to add 6, pinch. Take away 6. At 7, pinch. 8, pinch. 9, pinch. Eventually, you want them to remember 6 is made of 5 and 1. 7 is 5 and 2, or 2 and 5. 8 is 5 and 3, or 3 and 5. 9 is 5 and 4, or 4 and 5. Now once they're familiar with it on the day 1, you've gone through that, get them to do the book pages. The next day you do adding tens. Now tens is just next door to the unit. So this is all the units rod next door. Each of the bead now is 10, counting tens. Okay, 1 bead of 10 is 10. Take away 10. At 20, take away 20. At 30, take away 30. At 40, take away 40. At 50, take away 50. 60 is made of 50 and 10. 70, 80, 90. Clear.